Hey guys, Dream Buddies here with Mike
and Chris. So this is a shot we don't get hardly ever. I am standing on the Clay Wade Bailey Bridge spanning the Ohio River from Covington to Cincinnati, right alongside the C&O Bridge. We've got the Northbound CSX passing over right now, headed towards Queensgate Yard. But it is flying pig morning in Cincinnati, so this bridge is closed to vehicular traffic. So I'm taking advantage down here cheering for everyone, all the runners. Good luck. Michael's at the car. I had to run to get up here in time. This one snuck up on us. But it's a cool shot of a train on the approach, elevated over Covington and onto the bridge. I wouldn't recommend ever standing on this bridge ever while it's open to vehicular traffic. The pig did start. I just heard the countdown a minute ago. Oh, look at this. SCL Family Lines. Nice. We saw one southbound a couple minutes ago, shortly before this one approached. We didn't have our scanner on the right channel, I guess. We didn't hear this one coming. But the southbound, this one's probably waiting for the southbound to clear. So we've got two tracks on the bridge, but Down here, the Ohio River. CPKC Auto Rack. The Flying Pig Marathon has started. I heard the countdown to the start. We're around mile 3, so probably got a couple more minutes before runners start showing up. Probably about 15 minutes after the start, the runners will start showing up. It is 6:38 a.m. right now. We got our bike pacers there for the marathon. They're not pacers, but course patrol. We got a whole big team of them up here on the bridge. The old C&O Bridge, Chesapeake in Ohio. Remnants of an old signal there. The new signal's right up there, just above the cyclists. Got red over red over red on each side. Long auto rack. .640, the Flying Pig Marathon started 10 minutes ago. We might have runners on our way already down there in Covington. It's a pretty incredible pace if I'm right. Be the very lead runners. Full marathon and half marathon share a course for a few miles. Yeah, we got runners coming already. Wow, what a pace they're doing. We're gonna stay right here for right now. I got a cowbell on my pocket, but I'm gonna keep it in there for right now. It'll be pretty loud on the camera, I believe. So we got a train and the lead runners for the Flying Pig Marathon. What's going to get here first? These lead runners or the end of the train? This is the real race. Got another CPKC auto rack here. Nice, nice. Here comes the lead runners. Amazing. Keep it up, gentlemen! Incredible. I love it. Two of my favorite things, trains and the flying pig. Keep it up! Train is slowing down. Some of these guys got 23 miles ahead of them still. Some of them only 10. Full marathon is 26.2 miles. Half is 13.1. And this train might be coming to a stop. There's a plaque here. It's hard to tell what it says. It says Cincinnati, Covington and Cincinnati Elevated Railroad and Railroad and Transfer and Bridge Company. Wow. This bridge is closed to traffic right now, but I can feel the bridge bouncing from the amount of runners on it. It's pretty incredible. But that's it for now, unless we get another train. Train buddies out from the Flying Pig.